How to properly align the steering wheel and find the center point. First, turn the steering column fully to the left. Then adjust the balance weight to center the bubble in level gauge 1, keeping it horizontal. This is the internal structure. Next, turn the wheel approximately 1.5 times to the right. Without moving the balance weight, adjust the steering column to keep level gauge 2 horizontal. Tap once to mark a point on the steering column. The internal view looks like this. This point is precisely at the center of the steering column. Can you understand this principle? Why can a car's ceiling handle support a weight of 100 kilos? Even an adult hanging on it won't damage the ceiling. Do you know the internal structure of the ceiling? Firstly, the ceiling handle is designed for safety, ensuring passengers' balance and preventing body movement and injury during bumps. Although there is no legal requirement for cars to have ceiling handles, if they are installed, they must ensure sufficient strength. Therefore, a high-strength bracket is installed on the ceiling beam, and that part of the beam is also reinforced.